Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. We have a lot of ways how we can describe all the actions and the experiences of our readings today. All the scenes may appear or may be described as progressive, as day after day or event after event, something new is happening. For example, the flood was high. After some days, it turned out to be lower and dry afterwards. The blind man's healing progressed in time. His sight might have been turned blurry, but then after some time, as what we have heard, he now saw things distinctly. But I wish to propose this description from the experiences of Noah and the blind man on how God would not only do things progressively, but will also be willing to unfold things to us. Hindi lamang siya nagpapatuloy kung hindi naglalahad ng mga bagay sa buhay natin. The peacefulness and the serenity after the great flood unfolded right from the very eyes of Noah. Much as well, this blind man, healing and new sight, was also unfolded unto him. And it is a good reminder for us, my dear brothers and sisters, for us not to be afraid on how will the Lord unfold many experiences and maybe even blessings to our life. From a great tribulation, from great life storms, from heavy problems, from the heavy load of every day, maybe even to our own blindedness. Do not worry, the Lord will be ready to unfold things for you. Ilalahad niya po ang kanyang sarili, ang kanyang kapanatagan, ang kapayapaan, ang paghihilom, ang bagong lakas, ang mga hinihiling po natin, at ang madaming pagkakataon para sa atin. On how He was willing to unfold good things to Noah and to this blind man. The Lord will be prompt enough to unfold things to us. Nais niya pong ilahad ang kanyang kabutihan, paghihilom, at ang pag-asa para sa atin. He will be ready not only to progress what will happen next, but to unfold things for our good, for our healing, and even for our life. The Lord won't withhold things to you and to us. He will continue to unfold goodness to all of us.